So this is the acetylation. Okay, no. Acetylation reaction. In the acetylation reaction, orthosalicic acid, when react with acetic anhydride. Okay, now this is the acetic anhydride. This is also we can write it like this, and sometimes also you can write like this. Okay, now this total is the same acetic anhydride. When react with orthosalicylic acid. Okay, now otherwise orthohydroxybenzoic acid. IUPAC name is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Okay, now sometimes also you can write like this. So 2-hydroxy benzene carboxylic acid also we can write. So here common name is orthosalicylic acid. When react with acetic anhydride in the presence of acidic medium. Okay, an acidic medium. Here the H and COO part will be removed, and this acetyl group will be attack on the oxygen. Okay. Now this is called acetyl salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. This is also called as aspirin. You know that aspirin. Okay, now it is a drug which is used for various purpose. Okay, as number one, it is the anti-inflammatory. Okay, now, and also analgesic, mild pains, and also it is also used as antipyretic, fever remove, pyretic. Okay, now these are the mainly used as analgesic and antipyretic, anti-inflammatory. Okay, now stomach pains. Okay, so this is used as a very useful drug. Okay, very useful drug. This is the acetylation reaction. This is called as acetyl salicylic acid. Acetyl salicylic acid is called as aspirin. Aspirin is commonly in the market. We'll get. Okay, na? So this is the reaction. This is a very important reaction. Okay, na? Very important. Please, you have to take screenshots. Okay. Next, I'm going to discuss other reactions. Here, in the case of acetylation, in the case of acetic anhydride, we can also use. Okay, na? In the place of acetic anhydride, AC2O. Okay, na? In the case of AC2O mean this. Okay, na? In the case of acetic anhydride, we can also use okay, na? We can also use acetyl chloride, CH3C double bond O Cl. In the presence of pyridine also we can use. Otherwise, ester, CH3C double bond O ET. Okay, na? In the presence of acidic medium. So in the place of this, we can also these two also we can use. Okay, na? We can use even these two also, right? So this is the reaction. So this is very important, right? Now please take screenshots. Now order of acetylation, which is the better. Okay, na? Order of acetylation, if you see, first acid chloride. This is the first one. Acid chloride, CH3C double bond O Cl. Then after anhydride, CH3C double bond O C double bond O CH3 anhydride. Then after ester, CH3C double bond O OET ester. Okay, na? Acetyl chloride, acetic anhydride, and ethanoate or ethyl acetate. Okay, so the order If you take acetyl chloride, you will get better of yield, right, for this reaction. So this is the acetylation of aspirin. Okay. Now we are going to discuss reaction with the Grignard reagent. Next, with the Grignard reagent. With the Grignard reagent. Reaction with the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So if you see Grignard reagent is what RMGX. RMGX is the Grignard reagent. So alcohols when react with the Grignard reagent Rm minus MgX plus, when react with R dash OH, okay na, it is a H plus, here O is minus, so this R minus can be abstract proton, takes a proton. So now that this R should be taken H, will get to hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon mean we can take, will get alkane, okay na, alkane. If R is methyl, we will get methane like that. Plus R dash O minus join with MgX plus. R dash O MgX. Okay. So this is the main product. I will give some examples. For example, methyl magnesium bromide when react with ethanol, when react with ethyl alcohol, so this minus part will be takes this H plus. Okay. Now CH3H. Okay now CH3H is nothing but methane. Okay now plus CH3 CH2 OMGX. This is the byproduct. Okay now. So we will get hydrocarbons. If you take ethyl magnesium bromide, you will get ethane. If you take propyl magnesium bromide, you will get propane. Okay. So this is the reaction with the Grignard reagent. Reaction with the Grignard RMGX. Reaction with the Grignard reagent. Right.